Hey y'all, it's Ashley Mia back with another video, and today we're going to talk about all things style, okay? And I'm going to show you how to put an outfit together. Now, I'm somebody that loves fashion, okay? You can check out another video that I did on how to style yourself. It's going to be linked right up here. But I love style, I love fashion, and I've noticed that sometimes people don't know what to put together, or they may not know what the basics are. So I'm about to go through what I believe are cool basics to have in your closet to put your style together and put your outfits together. Then I'm going to show you how I put all of my outfits together, and they're just going to be a few that I picked from my closet. Alright, so to start off with an outfit, you can build with a nice pair of jeans. Now for women, I would suggest do a nice pair of high-waist jeans, because high-waist just does something to you. You can wear a nice crop top with it and it elevates your waist. And I really do think that when you have a nice pair of jeans, you can wear anything with it. You can wear patterns with it, you can wear solids with it. It's really, really versatile. So you need to get you a nice jean. I really love Target's jeans. I love, let's see, Fashion Nova actually has some really good jeans. I love jeans from ASOS. And so those are some of the places that I go for jeans. But yes, make sure you have you a nice jean. It can be a flare jean, it can be a skinny jean. I also just recommend the high waist, but it can also be mid-rise, it can be hipster jeans, it can be whichever. But just have you a good pair of nice solid jeans. You can do a medium wash, a light wash, or a dark wash. I just feel like it goes with everything.
Yo, yo, my men and my women. Yo, 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 my men and my women. Yo, yo, my men and my women. Yo, yo, my men and my women. Yo, yo, my men and my women.
Now the next thing that I feel like can put your outfit together, or that you should have in your closet to have a nice outfit, is a white basic top. It could be long sleeve or short sleeve, it can be just a tank top, but something nice and white, but also a nice black one as well. And this will be like your basics. And what I mean by basics is that you can pair anything with it, any type of jacket with it. It can go with all types of patterns, just like the jeans, because you can do anything with a white or black top, honestly. Like when you go to H&M, they usually have the basics section in the back where they have the white, the cream, the black, the tan, the brown, because these are all neutral colors, earth tone colors that really can go with anything, just like those pair of jeans. Personally, I like the cropped ones, because if I'm wearing a high-waist jean or high-waist pants, it's really good to kind of elevate that waist and show it off a little bit. But you can also get the bodysuits, the ones that snap below. You can also just get the regular size ones that go right down to your hips. But definitely you need a basic top that can go with anything.
Yo, yo, yo. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, yo. My men and my women. Yo, yo. My men and my women.
And then next, I feel like you should have a nice skirt. I love mini skirts, okay? I like to show off my legs a little bit. So the one that I have is a nice leather black mini skirt that I'm gonna show you in a minute. And I think that it just really fits me. I also have others, I just wanted to show you this one, but I feel like you all should have a nice skirt. Even if it's not mini, it could be midi or it can be maxi, you know, just whatever style you're going for, because every girl needs a skirt. We just do. And I think that the way you style it can really be crucial to how it looks on you.
You're a star in my head. For is war with my friends. True, you're so bad when I need a big time, but I don't want war with you or my friends. You're my yes. You're my yes. We say
So another essential is definitely having a nice jacket. I think having a nice solid jacket, or maybe it's patterned or whatever it is really going to put things together. It's going to complete your entire outfit, especially if you're wearing jeans or you got on these nice pattern pants. Something that is maybe solid color, neutral color, then you can go off into your pattern color jackets if you like that type of stuff. I like funky type of things anyway, so I would probably do like a nice pattern jacket or something like that. But have a nice solid one that you can throw on and it can kind of go with everything, and then it'll begin to tie things together. I really do feel like jackets and hats tie an outfit together. Shoes too, but I think jackets and hats for sure. And as you're gonna see, I'm definitely gonna put in a bucket hat with it because I absolutely love bucket hats and I love caps, so I think that'll jazz it up a little bit. But yeah, have you a nice jacket because I think it's just gonna set it off.
I don't want more with you or my friends. You're my lady. You're my lady. We said you probably can party, yeah. We got you, you're my friend. All the way around, I know you. I got money on me, I know you. I got money in my pocket, I know you. Pain goes away when I'm dizzy. Pain goes away when you're with me. Even when your shadows a little risky, it's all out of control.
Now this one is my favorite. Another one that you need to put a nice outfit together is a blazer. You need a blazer. I'm sorry, you just do. I love a good blazer because they can go elegant or they can go street casual. They can go business casual. You can just do anything with those. I really like a nice neutral tone, earth tone blazer. So the navy blues, the blacks, the tans, the coppers, but I also like colors too. And so when you have a blazer, it acts as a jacket a little bit, but it's also something that doesn't appear so heavy as a jacket. And with blazers, they just tie things together. Like I said, the jackets do, and this one kind of acts as a jacket. So a blazer can make anything look elevated. It can make it look just real official. Something about a blazer is just super, super chic, super in style. It's never going out of style. Everybody's going to have blazers down the line, and even in our past, we've had blazers all in history. So I think a blazer is essential for putting together a nice outfit.
What you want for? I get you what you want. But you want me alone. Maybe I'm acting. You held me up, but now I'm just holding out. But I don't want you around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. It's not that I'm over you.
when you're putting together an outfit, make sure you have these in your closet because they are the basics that you can build on top of and build a nice outfit. Now, you're gonna put your own style to it with the accessories like purses, shoes, and jewelry, but these basics are going to help you and guide you when you're shopping, when you're online shopping, or just going through your closet. So my hope is that this video inspired you to go out there and get your style on, okay? Go out there and put your outfits together, take some pictures, because you just wanna look good. When you look good, you feel good, okay? Essentially, style is an extension of your personality. It's what people see before you even open your mouth. So have fun with it, try new things, and I hope this video once again has helped you. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe also, and press that bell notification so you're notified every time I post. But thank you again. If you're watching this during the week, have a good week. If you're watching this during the weekend, have a good weekend, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace.